The regions that embrace sector strategy had much more success in coalescing everyone around the industry's needs in achieving new programs, new opportunities for attracting talent, etc.
It's important to have all the key players in the room when you're making the decisions. That way you can, find out where the issues are, create solutions, and collaborate to solve the issue.
We bring everyone together who's involved, collectively share data, share resources, and achieve a common goal much more efficiently and effectively by working together.
Having your local universities, having your school system, having local manufacturers, everybody in the same room, it really helps support that collaboration and really makes people feel more comfortable working together. So you're not standing out there on your own.
Sector strategy is driven by the voice of industry.
In order for you to have resources to be able to reach those goals, you have to be able to communicate what you need. Having that collaborative approach gives the small business the opportunity to say, hey, look, this is really where we're seeing the need. This is where the skill sets are lacking.
Sector strategy, it's not new, but it is now intentional. And in the state of Florida, through all the sector partners led by CareerSource Florida, and I'd like to say Florida Makes and the Regional Manufacturing Association networks in conjunction with EDCs has made a point of really trying to educate people on the advantages of sector strategy and how they can achieve their goals in a much faster and efficient and profitable way.